Om Shri Satnam Sakhi Jai Sri Krishna. Heartfelt best wishes to all the beloved followers of Shri Prem Prakash Pant. This year in 2025, the grand 55th annual celebration of Swami Shanti Prakash Ashram will be joyously celebrated from the 16th to 20th of November at Ulhasnagar number 5. We warmly invite all the devotees and spiritual seekers to be a part of this divine celebration, to immerse themselves in Gyan, Bhakti and Satsang, and to receive the blessings of Param Pujya Sadguru Maharaj. On the 15th of November at 6 p.m., the recitations of Srimad Bhagavad Gita and Prem Prakash Granth will commence. And at 8 p.m. on the same day, the auspicious arrival of Malupithadishwar Param Pujya Swami Rajendra Das Ji Maharaj will take place. On the 16th of November at 8 a.m., a serene satsang by Param Pujya Acharya Sadguru Swami Dev Prakash Ji Maharaj and Malupithadishwar Param Pujya Swami Rajendra Das Ji Maharaj will be held in the premises of Swami Shanti Prakash School. Thereafter, Pujya Swami Ji and Swami Rajendra Das Ji Maharaj, with their divine hands, will lovingly inaugurate the Smriti Mandir of Param Pujya Sadguru Swami Shanti Prakash Ji Maharaj. The same day in the evening, from 5:30 onwards, Pujya Swami Rajendra Das Ji Maharaj will again bless all the devotees with a satsang in the premises of Swami Shanti Prakash School. On the 17th of November, from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. and again from 5:30 to 8:30 in the evening, all the devotees will have the opportunity to receive blessings and spiritual wisdom from Param Pujya Swami Dev Prakash Ji Maharaj and other Sant Mandli. On the 18th of November, 8 a.m. onwards, there will be bhajans, sankirtan and satsang by Pujya Swami Dev Prakash Ji Maharaj and all the Sant Mandli in the ashram. In the evening, from 5:30 to 8:30, Rasik Sant from Vrindavan, Baba Shri Chitra Vichitra Ji Maharaj will bless all the devotees with their divine joy of Sankirtan through their sweet and devotional discourses. On the 19th of November, 8 a.m. onwards, Param Pujya Sadguru Swami Dev Prakash Ji Maharaj will conclude the recitations of Srimad Bhagavad Gita and Prem Prakash Granth with Bhog ceremony. Same day in the evening, 5:30 onwards, the spiritually enlightened Jaya Kishori Ji will bless all the devotees with Sankirtan and Satsang delivered through her sweet and devotional voice. On the 20th of November at 8 a.m., there will be bhajans and Satsang by revered saints and other Sant Mandli. Thereafter, Param Pujya Sadguru Swami Dev Prakash Ji Maharaj along with saintly congregation will lovingly conclude this historic 55th annual celebration of Swami Shanti Prakash Ashram. Let us come together in love, faith and devotion to make this spiritual gathering a truly memorable one. Boliye Sadguru Dev Bhagwan ki Jai.